Greetings everyone. Today I, Parth, and I are here to present our project Lung Cancer Detection using the fusion and YOLO techniques in MATLAB. We are from DAV Multipurpose Public School, Sonipat.
Lung cancer is one of the major causes of death in India. Various data analytics and classification approaches have been used to diagnose and find lung cancer in numerous cases. It can only be cured by early tumor diagnosis because the basis of disease is yet unknown. This makes the prevention impossible. In order to classify the existence of lung cancer tumor in a CT picture and PET image, lung cancer detection method using processing and deep learning is applied. Techniques. First, we obtain the CT scans, then PET images of the same patient, then combine both images into one. Classification carried out using image feature extraction. As a result, the combined CT and PET scan images of the patient are classified as normal and abnormal. The tumor component of the abnormal photos is the focus of detecting process. Using YOLO and CNN, an effective strategy to identify lung cancer and its phases is one that also seeks to produce more precise results.
Now the proposed method of our project. First we input the CT scan image of the patient, then we input the PET scan image of the patient and those two scans are converted into one. Then that fused image is sent to CNN architecture which either classifies them as normal or as abnormal, and if it classifies the image as abnormal then the YOLO V2 is used to mark the tumor with a square box around it.
Our proposed method. Improves cancer outcomes by providing health care at is possible. In addition to increased accuracy in predictions and a better intersection over union bounding boxes, compared to real-time object detectors, YOLO has an inherent advantage of speed. YOLO is a much faster algorithm than its counterparts, running at its highest speed, 45 FPS.
Now the implementation of our project. We visited to Dr. Pankaj Daya at the Dayanand Cancer and Critical Care Unit, and also he recommended our project as life-saving. And we also visited Dr. Tarun Yadav at District Civil Hospital in Sonipat, and he also found that our project was really well.
We also visited Kanpur and radiologists to inquire about our project and talk to them.
Now we have tested our project on 11 patients, and 8 out of them were found to be abnormal.
And the test.
Now the conclusion of our project. In this project, here we have investigated a novel technique using CNN and YOLO-V2 pre-trained network for lung cancer tumor detection using lung cancer images. The most effective strategy to reduce lung cancer mortality is early detection. Firstly, takes both CT and lung PET images of the patient, and we have used fusion techniques for fusing lung CT and lung PET image into a single fused image, and then for classification through images as normal or abnormal is done by a deep learning network, that is CNN. And if the fused image has a tumor and that is it is abnormal, then detection of lung cancer is used with the YOLO V2. Now let us see the working of our project. When we will press the run button, it will ask us to upload the CT scan image of the patient. As you can see, it is the CT scan image of the patient. Then it will ask us to upload the PET scan image of the patient. Then a fused image will be generated, and then a CNN architecture will be used which will train itself. And also there is a training loss in each iteration. And then a tumor detected image will be formed and YOLO V2 will be used to mark it as a square around it.